Good morning. Big day today, guys. Big day today. I'm debating if I should go for different target and size. Could go for 2 contracts today, risk only $500 in case it doesn't work. Let's pull up the chat. And I also might be switching over to NinjaTrader. We'll talk about that today. I want to ask your guys' opinion. Good morning, Arco, Gary, Market, Marty. What's going on, guys? Let's have a good day. Market's about to open in 2 minutes. I don't know what to do. Do I just go for 2? Contracts? How much profit would that be? $300? Nah, gotta build a cushion. I'm just gonna go for like 26 ticks today. We'll talk about why am I gonna switch if I do end up switching. It's mainly because of the prop firms and the choices that NinjaTrader has. Like I can't do Tradeify. Tradeify, there's no safety net. We'll see. Bull knocks, you're not supposed to copy trade, right? So I need like a second prop firm that I could just really love. I would do 50K accounts, sweep stats. I don't know why everyone's so obsessed with 150K accounts. I don't know why everyone is so obsessed with the 150K accounts, but that's not me. 50K accounts is the way to go. But everyone does their own thing. There's only one. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. And I didn't record my damn screen again. No. Oh, I hate when that pops up. I'm in short. Of course it's gonna lose. Nope, it won. Holy shit. Let's go. That was gonna lose for sure. I even set like a stop of like 670 or something, even tighter. Let's go. Could have gotten my 29 ticks, but we'll take that. And I forgot to add the account that I won yesterday. Whoopsies. There it goes. All right, so we got, this is 5th green day on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 accounts. I still got a flip on Friday, which is perfect. I can't really trade Friday. No, it's not in the row. Today's day number 7. I am going to trade these 2 accounts on Friday and the rest. I'm not going to trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 I'm not going to trade, but I am going to trade the rest of the accounts. Okay, bull unlocks, I need $40 to get a full payout. And fight is, I need $16, $15 to get a payout. All right. So there it is. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. $16 almost. Let's say 17,000 here, and then 2,000 here, and 1,500 here, and 1,500 here. Oh, this is the wrong account. Yes, see, I could request a payout from my funded futures today. Let's go. What do I like about Fidus? No safety net. And 20 accounts, but I don't have 20 accounts. I just got to see if I could get paid trading my style. All right, we're going to talk about switching over to NinjaTrader, and I am going to take a 15-minute breakout trade on. I got one Apex account that I forgot to add to the copy trader. I passed it yesterday, so we'll take a 15-minute opening range trade on it. Why not? I'll take a screenshot from the Discord. I was so nervous today. I thought I was going to lose. Today wasn't a break. I think I caught a break on, was it Monday? Monday I caught a break. How to use multiple R traders? You could open them. When you click on R trader icon on your desktop, it's going to open another one. It's not going to close the one you have open. All right, so all right, I'm excited. Finally, I had the exact same day last year at this time. Let's see if I could watch. I think I have a video of it. Let's watch last year's. It was same thing, like 20,000 payout. January. That was my first big payout though, which this one feels kind of same. Okay. It was on January 5th. Let's see how different I did the opening range back then. So I did 20 ticks. So I used to use scheduled time. What time is it? So I used to use a timed order. It wouldn't go live till 9:30, which once you got to a lot of accounts, it was tough. Because you could see that copy trader doesn't get active. What time is the market gonna open? I used to do it so like I wouldn't get filled early into the trade when I was figuring out the levels. Okay, so the market opened. I don't understand how I secured 24,000 with trading only this many accounts. Something I must have had other accounts already set. Let me see if I show the P&L because I don't understand. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. I don't know, but I do remember getting this payout. Crazy volatility. 33 ATR. Road to 1 million, John says. I don't know about that. What is ATR? That's the average true range. So it monitors the volatility of each candle. So right now, the ATR is 33 points. This is the average. So over 13 candles. So last 13 candles, the average move was 34 points, which is a lot. I am going to trade one account on the 15-minute opening rate trade, see if I could get lucky. What's the plan for today? Chill, celebrate at least a payout request. I didn't get approved yet, so obviously not celebrating the money yet, but at least the progress, and a lot to be happy for at this moment. Do I trade gold? No. Again, I'm streaming more because people are asking, and I enjoy streaming, but I'm not gonna feel pressured to trade anymore on stream. I'll take my one trade. That's what makes me money, and that's what trading is about. Less is more. But we will take a 15-minute opening range trade. Yeah, so we're going to talk about why I'm thinking about switching to Ninja. The only thing is I need affordable indicators. That's the only way I could switch over to Ninja. You've been telling me what forever? Well, I couldn't do it because of the rules. Day Trade is a prop firm that is from the Apex. Yes. Day traders offered me the craziest deal I've ever seen, I've ever gotten. I could be buying another, well, not that easy, but I could be buying another Lambo, or I should say another car. I don't have a Lambo yet, but I could be buying a Lambo or another Porsche if I accepted the offer from day traders. They offered me a crazy deal, which I didn't take because I wouldn't feel like it was legit. As far as basically, it was, I didn't even talk to them. They just sent me a proposal, which I never really gotten that many. I've gotten one from Top Step a long time ago. And My Fund of Futures also. But it was such a crazy deal. I showed it to a couple people and they're like, why wouldn't you take that? But that is not what my channel is about. Number one, I would have to be probably exclusive to trading with just them. And now they scaled down to only 7 accounts. There used to be 20. Number two, they're not really popular, so trying to get people to sign up would be very hard. And then I'll be telling people to sign up for something I don't even know if I trust, you know, like, because that'll be the only way I would get paid is if I got people to sign up. Even though it was different from affiliate. Like, yeah, the affiliate is separate, but I would get paid as a sponsor for signing up people. So if I met a quota, I would get a fat paycheck a month. And I didn't do it. So I don't even trade with day traders, to be honest. I don't know. Just something. But him suing Apex, that's an internal civil suit. So it's not even a big deal. It will get settled. But it's cool to see that Apex is making a shit ton of money. So we don't have to worry about Apex going out of business. At least that's a given, you know? We don't have to worry about Apex going out of business. Does FIDUS have consistency rule? Yes. I don't think they're too good to be true. They're pretty much exact copy of Apex. I just don't know anyone using them. It's like, no one's using them. How much money are they making? You know? But going back to NinjaTrader, I don't even know how to use it, to be honest. I don't know anything how to use it. I can't even get the charts to show up on Sim. So I don't even know what I'm doing wrong, but we'll figure it out. Maybe I got to log into one of the prop firms. Yeah, no idea what that is. I think I'm going to buy the dip, guys. I think it's time to buy the dip. All right, so the reason for a switch to NinjaTrader is so I could trade with all these new prop firms that have Tradeovate only. Okay, so that is the only reason. But Tradeify, I think, is one of the better. I should log into Apex and try to take this trade on the Apex on the NinjaTrader platform. But I know I'll mess something up. Why not use Tradeovate instead of NinjaTrader? Because you can't copy trade between prop firms and it's clunky. I hate Tradeovate for opening range trades. The only thing I like about Tradeovate is scalping. For scalping, it's great because you don't need much. Just tell QUANTOWER to add Tradeovate connection. You might have a good point there, sir. Yeah, there was a widespread issue. Can I show the opening range trade quick? What do you mean? It's in the beginning of the stream. You missed it. Make sure you tune in before 9:30. I didn't record it today. Otherwise, I would show it. I didn't record it. I forgot. This is the 15-minute opening range trade. I stopped taking. I have a new account with Apex that I forgot to add to the copy trader, so I'm going to take the But today seems to be a little bit of a rangy, choppy market. So I'm not going to take it right away. I'm going to see if there's some momentum to it. Oh yeah, they might listen to me because I'm gonna tell them straight up. I'm gonna switch to NinjaTrader if they don't. I just don't know if they can, if it's possible for them to do it, and they got to make sure that you can copy trade between. You know, you got to be able to copy trade between the. Wow, what a chop! Crazy candles, 50 points. Okay. Not in yet. That's a stop limit, stop market order. If it breaks the lows now, I'll get in, which I should be lower. My luck is it's gonna break it by that much. Oh, thank God. See? Thank God I moved it. Would have been stopped out. Yeah, you can't do brackets with multiple. I would never do trade of 8. Damn, what a sell-off overnight, huh? A lot of support, higher highs, higher lows. I'm using QUANTOWER. Sure, good morning. I don't know what that indicator is. Affordable Indicators has everything I need for NinjaTrader. I have no idea, Lamer. I've been so out of touch with new prop firms. Top X, it's all good. Blank, what's going on? Wow, what a tight range inside the 15 minutes. There's another update on QUANTOWER. I just updated yesterday. What the hell? Watch. Trade of a connection. Nope. No such thing. Yeah, if they could add trade of a connection on QUANTOWER, that would be great. QUANTOWER doesn't use CQG data, but can they? Can they add? Wow, we're gonna go all the way to the other side. All the way to the other side of the range. Seems like today it's better to just short the top of the range. What's my favorite prop firm at the moment? I don't have like a super favorite. Obviously, Apex is still my number one because of the big payouts. Yeah, Top Step is great, but not for me. I just can't. I just can't do it. Okay, we broke. But can we follow through now? Nope. That's crazy. See what happens. There's only one account. Did I see the Apex received a lawsuit and Tradeify CEO tweeted about Apex profit? Yeah. I mean, I'm happy. To me, that's not, I'm not surprised that they make that much. How else would they pay out 30 million comfortably? And this is why I don't trade the 15-minute opening range trade anymore. It's too choppy. One day it just goes straight, and then the next day it just chops. Maybe I'll reverse the position and just try to let it run. If it gets stopped down, maybe it'll hold. Come on. If it breaks out now, it's going to be pretty good. Hopefully. Just needs to hold. Nope. What a joke. What a joke. I'll take a short this time. It's only one account. I really don't care about it. Win rate over 20 opening range trades. We'll go over the numbers in a second. I could pull up the can we get back to the lower side of the range? Actually, I can add. Forgot about the max loss. Hopefully it holds the 15. Then I could add the second contract. All right, added a second one. Still weak. That needs to go. Come on, break the lows here, please. Too much size, obviously. Way too tight of a stop loss and stuff. It should be playing the full range, but I'll take one more trade on this account. We'll lose the account today if it doesn't work out. But if it works out, we'll make some money. Come on. There we go. Come on. Flush. There we go. Flush it. Flush it real good. All right. Took one off. Gotta take it off. Who knows what the hell's gonna do? Didn't feel me. All right, that was a fat $1,500 trade. A little scary, but one account. Easy to do on one account. On 20 accounts, there's no shot. Does Fighters have a discount on evals? I'm sure they do. YouTubers all trading chop and losing right now. Who's losing right now? Math. Oh man. Nutty lost on the open range trade. Myth, I don't watch. And Matt, let's see, Matt. Matt is at 0. I don't see any trades. So confused. Wow, what a sell-off. Nutty's red on his opening range trade. That has nothing to do with chop. Damn, could have banked even more. It just works on the opening volatility. Well, here the 15-minute break works. Damn, I wish I let that one run. Could have gotten this account to, I wouldn't have let it run this much, but like $1,000 profit first day is nice. I mean, $700 in profit is nice too in the first day, but you know, 30%. And someone said something about Apex rug pulling affiliates. Interesting. I wonder who. Yeah, I have an account with my fund of futures right here on the bottom. I'm going to take a payout today. The balance now is 3,200, so I should be able to take out $1,000 bucks, like 1,100. And I'm going to get more accounts with them, with that money. Hit the likes on the stream, guys. Hit the likes and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. We are only, how many subscribers away? Let's see. We are 42 subscribers away from 24,000. If we hit 24,000, I'll do a $240 dollar giveaway today to one lucky person. There we go. What's my strategy? I take a opening range trade. That's my best. This is not my strategy. This is just a random trade. But my main strategy is the opening range trade. So if you rewind the beginning of the stream, you'll see. Is it max loss on the RB 750? Yeah, it's still 750 because I still have some accounts that are not over safety net. But like on these accounts, I could risk a lot more than 750. I could risk 30% of whatever the value is, right? So I could risk quite a lot more, but I'm not going to yet. Can you do a giveaway just for me for being here every day? Oh man, I'm so pissed I lost my Ball Knox account last week. Trying to revenge trade. But Friday, tomorrow market's closed. Friday, I'm not sure if I'm going to stream yet. Actually, I am because I'm going to go rent the equipment tomorrow. So never mind. I could stream on Friday. That was the plan. I have to go rent equipment, which is pretty far away. And then at 4 o'clock on Friday, I got to go set up. If you're new to my channel, I also own a DJ company. I have a big gig on Saturday, so I got to set up on Friday. So I wasn't going to stream on Friday because I got to pick up the equipment. But since the market's closed tomorrow, I asked the guy if I could pick it up. It's like 2 hours away, so it's like 2 gigs a year I got to rent equipment. Tomorrow I don't have, I mean, for this gig I don't have to. I never done in the past, but I want to try these new speakers before I buy them. Do I have me? I'm a DJ. I'm not a producer. I just do private events. Does Bullnox actually deny payouts? I haven't heard anyone get denied yet. We'll see. But that's another reason why I kind of want to switch over to NinjaTrader, so I could just do Tradeify and what is this? Isn't Tradeify exactly like Apex before rule execution? Maybe similar. What do I target with my ORB trades? Usually it's between 25 to 30 ticks on NQ. Today I went for 25 just to be safer, but I kind of wish I went for 29. 29 ticks versus 25 ticks. That's like a $50 difference on the count. So Tradeify, there's an option for not having a challenge, which I'll probably do that just because it's a waste of time to do evals for me. It's a distraction, and I don't take my time with evals. So if I do evals at like 50% win ratio, I'm only going to spend extra $100 to go straight to funded, and I think I'd rather just do that because obviously, especially now, since if I get this payout secured, I could, you know, easily do that. The goal is definitely to build back to 20 Apex accounts, but they need to have a sale. And then Fidus. If I switch over to NinjaTrader, then Fidus will be out because I will not be able to copy trade 2 Rhythmic accounts. Unless I do somehow trade them on QUANTOWER at the same time, which I don't know. Can I do your opening range trade on Top Step? Yeah. There's just not a huge benefit to Top Step since the opening range trade doesn't create a lot of profit per account. So with Top Step, you don't get any benefit of using Top Step. Besides, obviously, not having to worry about any sort of rules. Take profit is great, but again, 5-day eval. Take profit's benefit is fast payouts, as in you can request payouts quickly. Having an opening range trade, 1 trade a day, making $300, $400, $500 a day is not super beneficial to have take profit, right? Take profit is beneficial for those who can make a lot of money in a single day. Same as Top Step. And what I mean by that is only because of how the evals are structured. It has nothing to do with the actual funded account. It's how the evals are structured. So if you are going to be patient, if you're going to take your time and you're going to pass the evals, then there's nothing wrong with it. But top step evals and take profit evals are definitely more difficult than like Apex and other prop firms. But it's all my personal opinion. I think all those prop firms are great. And if you make money, you'll get paid. Can I pay for PA with one account and deposit into another account? What do you mean by that? Actually, let me see something. Can I request a payout with my funded futures now? Doesn't it like live update the P&L? Let me see. No, it doesn't. Someone asked about like the win ratio on my opening range trade, right? Like this is a good, easy way to show it. So I am under 5 seconds, 7 trades, and only one trade is longer. Oh God. They better approve me though, because it's over 5 points. Matt said over 5 points, doesn't matter. No, I don't just go long. There's some are short. Yeah, if I get paid with my funded futures, I am buying however many accounts I could have. Is it 3 or 5? I think it's 3, right? I'm gonna get expert 50K accounts. Good starter plus. How many contracts can I have on the starter plus? Why expert? No scaling plan and no scaling plan and 1 day to pass evals. All right, let me try to launch this NinjaTrader. Just in case if I gotta switch over. Like, what is this crap? What contract are we on? Like, what am I missing, guys? Like, what am I missing here? Like, why does it do that? Reload. Last type minute. Value 5. Days to load. 20. Mark 100. I need tick replay. And the fans kicked up in my PC. When I do ORB in Apex, do you put a stop loss? Yes, you have to. I put a stop loss after I get filled into the trade. Am I connected to a broker? No, I'm on the SIM account. Hold on, let me do that. Let me connect to Apex. Let me disconnect from Apex on here. We'll pull up Bullnox. Let's log into Apex. Configure. Oh, I gotta probably change. Wait, did it connect? Okay, we're getting somewhere, guys. Oh, it's still sim though, but we got something.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled. I missed that lady's sound and the voice. Is the price the same? Okay, but it says I'm logged into Apex, but I'm not. Configure Apex. System. Hold on, guys. It's not working. It's not working yet. Let me log out of Bullnox. See if I can log into Bullnox instead. So weird. Like it's not letting me. Like I only see the sim account. Like I don't see the Bullnox accounts. Tools, options, multi-provider. Tools, options. That turned on. Global simulation. I think that's probably it. Tools. That is turned on. Check connections, configure ad. But what do you mean? I've used NinjaTrader before. Who already bought XAI4M pre-sale? I did. I bought $10 million worth. I feel so confused. Check if plugin option is set or not. It's not. Do I need that? Do I need plugin? That's gonna kick me out of the RTrader, no? Let's see what happens. So confusing. This, let's see, is there like an update for Ninja maybe? I'm on NinjaTrader 8.1. It makes the noise, but I don't see the accounts. I think I'm gonna ask Nutty. See if he knows the hell I could do. I'll log into Bullnox to ensure I have an active account. What do you mean? I trade with Bullnox. Ensure you are on the accounts tab. I am. Can you copy trade with Top Step X? Only on Top Step X with the prop firm you're with. So like if you do Top Step X, all the accounts in Top Step X, you'll be able to copy trade. But like if you go with whatever they call it, Top Step X is not a Top Step platform. It's, what was it called? Project X. It says it's connected. Okay. I'm gonna close NinjaTrader. I'm gonna reopen it. Oh, this might be the issue, guys. But how do I know what my login is? My God, guys, never buy an OLED monitor for trading. My screen's gonna turn off. And I can't do anything about it. No, I have to log into NinjaTrader. That's what I meant. I gotta pull up the chat on my phone because stupid freaking screen. What a dumbass idea. They force you to turn off your screen so it could calibrate or clean itself, whatever. Oh, I'm so mad. Can't even see the chat. Hold on. All right, guys. I don't know. I kind of give up on that for now. Elite Trader funding is decent, I guess. Oh, my day is done. I am ready to... Well, I still got to flip these accounts, so I can't request the payout tonight. Connection problems? I haven't had that issue in a long time. that is the worst when stuff happens out of your control. It's the most frustrating. I'm assuming that's on TraderVate. My camera died. Great. That's about that time. I should just stream until the camera dies. Okay, let's see if the screen is fixed. Oh my god, it didn't fix itself yet. It's so annoying. Oh, we have an eval with Apex that we could try to pass. RIP Apex 2025, huh? What happened, my friend? I'll take that off for now. Probably I would have passed it, but whatever. Would have passed it. Ah, damn. Would have had another eval passed. Carol, I advise you to move on with your life. Do I go long or... Yeah, payouts secured, at least, kind of. Yeah, I got 9 Apex accounts, but I'm still gonna trade 2 of them just to try to get them to full payout, and then 1 Fidus, 1 Ball Knox, and then my funded futures all secured. If I get full payout from Apex, that'll be 18,000. 2,000 from Fidus. But that's not gonna be till end of the month. Fidus, I'm not gonna request till end of the month. Wiser, yeah. I mean, that's old news. I mean, he's been around for a while now. But why would that be end of Apex? I got a crazy offer from Leo. Okay, so I know. I guess I know more than... I got a crazy sponsorship offer from him. I'm sure I'm not the only one. But yeah, it's funny how some prop firms or some people thought that exposing Apex's income is a bad thing. I'm like, what? It's a good thing. Bad thing is when a prop firm is exposed for not having any funds. That's a bad thing. It just shows you how much profitable prop firms make, like Top Step, Apex. You know, they're not going anywhere. They make a lot of money. Their net income was like between 10 to 15 million a month. But they're not gonna pay him that much. They're gonna settle the suit. But if Leo gets paid, guess what? I'm gonna take my money with him. I'll take my money with him, and then I'll be good. You could find it on Twitter. Do I have any videos explaining my ORB? No. Last time I was explaining my ORB got banned. I'm not letting that happen again. I'm gonna make $300,000 to $400,000 trading 1 minute a day this year. M10, yeah, apparently. And Jimmy, yeah, it's $750 risk. Alpine was the reason Apex 2 came out? No, not me. Partially the opening range trade, yeah, but not the other stuff. Now you could see, Matty Matt, how much money Apex makes. Right? Now you can see how much money Apex makes. You think me taking out $100,000 was a big deal back then? It was the big people that were abusing Apex. It's not a range, Gorani. Yeah, Kane's 2 million was pocket change. Patrick's 600,000 is pocket change. If you don't break rules with Apex, you'll get paid. Simple as that. Can you DCA in Apex? Yes. But you don't have a lot of room, so if you want to DCA, you better have big accounts, like the 300K account. With this volatility, DCAing is just not going to work. But hey, you could get denied a payout and then just do it again and get a payout. Damn, we have so many new people in this stream today. If you don't know what DCA is, you're brand new. It's okay. M10 because he had the accounts for a long time. After 3 months, you get unlimited payout. You didn't break any rules? How so? Wiser than most. Anyone could sue anyone. Topstep went through a lot of lawsuits last year. Those are small lawsuits in comparison to you got to win the lawsuit to make it count. It's right next to, it's in that setting to make it bigger. Forget exactly where, but it's in that setting. Forget where the setting is, but next to that setting, if you want this timer, there's a setting to make it bigger. Is scalping 10 ticks allowed with Apex? Yes. I started daytraders.com. I guess they're not doing too well, so. I don't know anyone using them, really. Yeah, she probably got paid to use them. I could use them. And I got the craziest offer. You guys would fall off your chairs if I showed you the offer I got from day traders. And you would fall off your chair twice for me denying it or not accepting it. But I was just too kind of cautious, I guess, about my reputation in case something happened. And I'm glad I didn't, because when they had the offer, they had 20 accounts. Now they only have 7. Why would I deny it? Because I'm assuming it's exclusive. You have to trade with them only if I take the big offer. Apex is not loyal to me, but Apex is organic for me. I don't get paid by Apex. I don't know if Apex has like crazy deals like that. I'm talking about a crazy offer, not like now the couple people I spoke to, they didn't get the offer, so I don't know. But I'm sure he offered it to other people. I'm tempted to take a long here. Well, it has a contingency, Matt. I have to get people to sign up to get the money. So it's not like I get the money up front. I would still have to get people to sign up. So I would have to push it. Do you see me pushing any prop firm? Come on, baby. Push. Let's get account number 15. Account number 15. Let's go, please. Oh, so close. I'm nervous now. There we go. Account number 15. Let's go. Guys, the problem is, how am I going to make money trading if I am exclusive to one prop firm? How am I going to talk about other prop firms? Nah, it just doesn't suit my style. And then it's not organic, right? Then it's a paid sponsorship. Affiliates is someone using my code because they want to, and we get a percentage of it. A sponsorship is getting paid no matter what, right? And I just feel like I don't know if it would be fair to you guys for me to do that. I would have to be upfront about it, and then I'll get hate. So I don't know. Maybe if I didn't have as good of a trading year last year, I would have taken it. $400K every month. Jesus. I wouldn't be surprised if it's one of those Facebook groups. CFT or one of those Facebook groups. The Facebook groups have like 20,000 people in there. And they spam a code. No, Root, you got that wrong. You got that completely wrong. It's 30% of your drawdown, not 30% of your profit. Guarani, I've never noticed bad fills on Top Step X. I don't know. I've always felt like it was decent. But I've never paid attention in that much detail either. Have I finished with QUANTOWER? No, not yet. But if I switch over to NinjaTrader, it's only because I want to use prop firms that have Tradeovate only. Like Tradeify. Maybe my funded family or whatever, my futures family or something like that. My funded family, forget the name. Do you have a promo code for FIDIS? No, I don't. Try using this one. That's someone in my Discord. They set up the Alpine code to work, but it doesn't work anymore. I gotta email them to set it up. Mooncake, no, I'm not. Oh, it's family of funded futures. Got it. Got it. I won't be able to copy trade. Guys, for me, key is as many accounts as possible under one platform. I will never, unless I have to and I have no other choice, I will never use a single platform for one company. So like A lot of YouTubers are using like TraderVate, and they'll trade their take profit accounts together. They'll trade their Top Step accounts together, their Apex accounts together. No, I trade everything together at the same time. So I'm going to do everything I can to make sure I could do that, because I only trade once a day. Alan, don't worry about that. Just trade and get it out of the system. Your first ever trade is not going to matter in the long run. Yeah, I take one trade a day. I'm about to take out $20,000 trading for about 15 minutes total. Not even. It's pretty good. Pretty good hourly wage. It's like $80,000 an hour. I'll take it. Legit, guys, when I wasn't streaming, I wake up at 9:20 a.m. I get on my desk. I fire up the opening range trade at 9:30, and I'm done by 9:35. But the trade is done at 9:31. So I'm only trading, like, on my funded futures, you could see how much. Once my monitor turns back on, I'll show you. Michael, you have to understand that Kellyanne does this for views. Okay, Kellyanne does it for drama and views. Okay, it's how she grew her channel. Just don't watch the videos if it's going to bother you that much. She has no experience herself with these prop firms for the most part, and she does it for views. Okay, it's how she grew her channel. It's about spreading, drama and stuff, and nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, you have to, as a person, take everything with a grain of salt. Only because someone says something doesn't mean. But at the same time, if you believe it, then don't use the prop firms. Use your own account. Yeah, she's in Nutty stream, like, telling him how to trade. Like, that just, I don't know. Kellyanne blew thousands, maybe not thousands, hundreds of accounts with Apex. That's why she hates Apex. Rip camera. I'll be right back, guys. Gotta go use the restroom, and I'm gonna grab some water. Actually, I still got my Red Bull. Never mind. Root, yes. As soon as I come back, I'll give you an example. What prop firms do I trade with? Apex, Fidus, and Bullnox, and I find the futures. 4 prop firms at the moment. Which one is the best? It depends how you trade. Why not Top Step? I just have a hard time with greed on Top Step. Yeah. Top Step, there's no consistency rules. So I always try to push too much on Top Step and I end up losing the accounts. Top Step doesn't pay affiliate. I don't get paid on affiliates by anyone besides Apex, really. I make a little bit on Bullnox, but not much. A lot of people struggle on Top Step because of that reason. I try. It's not like I don't have Top Step. I try. I just failed the Top Step eval yesterday. I was up like 1,300 autos on it, and I got caught. Yeah, passing eval is the number one reason why Top Step is hard. Because if the evals were easier, then I would take my time. I like the idea of 50% profits in 5 days. I love it too, except I only make $300 or $400 a day. Especially with Top Step, there is a scaling plan, so I would make $200 a day. So I'll make $1,000 in 5 days. Doesn't get me anything. Right? So right away, I'm going to try to push for more and I get in trouble. I get to one payout and then the second payout just, I don't know what it is. Removing the daily loss limit also hurt them though. Their payouts went up a lot because of not having the daily loss limit. People are able to grow the accounts and then use the cushion in the accounts to their advantage. Why can you do this on your personal account? I can, but I will make $3,000-$4,000. Right? So like, what changes? You multiply everything by however many accounts you have. So for me to make $300,000, my goal is 350. So we'll do 350. Right? So my goal to make $350,000 this year would be 20 accounts. I have to make $17,500, right? To make $350,000. On a personal account, I would make $17,000. On prop firms, I would make $300,000. It's a big difference when you multiply everything by more accounts with no more risk. In order for me to do this on a live account, I would have to risk a lot. Like we're talking about, I'm taking right now, like today, I took 1, 2, 3. Hold on, let me do the math. 4, 6, 5. 5, 10, 15. So we got 4 fighters, 2 bull knocks. I'm trying to do how many accounts I have. I don't even know. 15, 14, 18, 18, 20. Whatever. Let's say it's 21, 20. You multiply everything by 3. That's 60 contracts I take out the opening range trade. I am not taking 60 contracts on a live account. Bobby, we'll find out. We'll find out. But that's why I'm switching over to NinjaTrader, because I think Bull Knox is no longer going to be my go-to because of that. I'll just trade my Bull Knox separately. So far, I haven't seen anyone get denied, but I wouldn't count on it. %30 rule. What size account are you trading, Root? I'll explain it to you in 2 seconds. If you tell me what size account do you use? Bullnox doesn't want people copy trading to other prop firms. How will they know? I don't know, but total funded capital doesn't matter, but you could see it here. But I never look at that. It's like a joke. $841,000. Yeah, okay. 204,000. That's $1 million. I have like $1.1 million. 300K Apex accounts. Okay, what's the drawdown on the 300K accounts? That's 9,000, right? So you take 9,000. You multiply that by 0.3, so you could risk $2,700 per trade. So you take $9,000 of drawdown times 0.3 is 30% risk, which is $2,700 per trade. So this $2,700 per trade is allowed until you blow the account, okay? It does not get lower. You will never have to risk less than $2,700 ever. And that's in PA account, not eval. Correct. FTMO, I don't think they're legal in the US. I don't trade with any. Actually, I have no idea, to be honest. I'm just speaking out of my ass at this point because I think FTMO is a Forex prop firm, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, camera overheats like crazy. I haven't changed the adapter yet. I've been lazy. Oh man, this camera. Well, if we get approved for a payout, maybe you could buy a new brick that's going to have the proper power. Well, you know what I'm going to get? I'm just going to get the dummy battery. I think that's going to be better. Yeah, I'm going to get that. Dummy battery for ZV E1. No, not EV10. ZV. What is it called? ZV. Whatever, I'll get it. I'll order it, and then it's going to be fine. Basically, right now, what's happening is I'm using a 65 watt USB-C brick to charge the camera, and it overheats it. That is my theory, at least. Yeah, it's warm. The market is closed tomorrow. At least I'm not going to be trading it. It might be partially open, but wow, it's going to close at 9:30. If it was closing at 9:31, then I could take my trade. Load, because you can have 20 accounts with Apex. I don't have 20 accounts. Do I know of any prop firm that allows holding over the overnights or the close? Yes. Fidus, this one has a account that you could hold, and I think Elite Trader Funding has one as well. If I trade tomorrow, will it count towards the 8 trading days? I doubt it. Maybe overnight session. I'm going to flip my account overnight and see what happens. Wow, what a breakout. Crazy chop today overall. We have FOMC minutes tomorrow. Or is it today? Today is Wednesday. Holy shit, we have FOMC minutes today. But FOMC minutes is nothing special. Non-farm payroll Friday. Yep. Every first Friday of the month. But FOMC minutes doesn't move the market a lot. I passed an eval. I made $700 on the trade outside of the opening range trade. I had a really good day, so I'm done. I just got to figure out how to launch my NinjaTrader. Do you have to keep a buffer in Apex these days? Yes. Oh, the trailing threshold is 7,500? Yeah, that's correct. I thought it was 9,000, sorry. This candy's stuck in my teeth. What's your biggest reason for going to NinjaTrader from QUANTOWER? Just because the prop firms like Tradeify don't have a login for QUANTOWER. I prefer QUANTOWER over Ninja, but with affordable indicators, the chart trader, I could use NinjaTrader. The reason why I switched from NinjaTrader to QUANTOWER was because of the chart trader. So like the ability to do this is why I got into QUANTOWER. Well, let's talk about see, this allows me to click and drag orders onto your chart, eliminate the clutter of right-clicking and using a menu, which is the key. Try Sierra Chart. Sierra Chart, you can't log into multiple accounts, I don't think. And setting up, I can't even set up NinjaTrader. Can you imagine me setting up Sierra Charts? They also have brackets. You could set up my opening range trade with just one click of a button, look. But that is on a set parameters, so it wouldn't really work for me, but it's pretty cool. For like news trading and stuff, this is pretty good. Is Copy Trader free on NinjaTrader? No, nothing is free on NinjaTrader. This thing costs like $200 minimum. See, I would need this. Or this. Which could be worth it, but I don't know. Oh, Andy, the links don't work. Why not use a copy trader from TraderVate? Because you can't copy between two prop firms on TraderVate. And you can't have brackets. That's a plugin. I don't know where you could find it, to be honest. It gets messy when you copy trade a lot of accounts, though. When you do this, it's very messy. See? You just get denied a payout and then you just gotta trade for 8 more days. That happened to me, actually. I got denied a payout for that. Or for 1 to 5, I'm not sure. I got denied $10,000 December 31st. FIDA's activation is $80. Do I know what happens when you get denied on FIDA's? I have no idea. Never. Do you lose 10K when you are denied? No. Is FIDA's better than Apex? It's not as proven. What other prop firms do I trust? Bull Knox, My Funded Futures, Top Step, Tradeify. I wouldn't mind trying Tick, but it wouldn't work for my strategy because they don't allow scalping in the first 5 minutes. FFF is brand new, so I'm not gonna say I trust them yet, as far as like putting my name on that. But they have a pretty good program, I guess. I don't know. They're brand new, so if it's a brand new prop firm, you can't just say, oh, they're great, because you don't know. You just don't know. Fight is like, I don't know. Like, I haven't gotten paid from them yet, so I have no idea. But I've seen many people get paid in my Discord. That's why I use them. All right, guys. 12 o'clock is approaching. Root, you could see all the prop firms I like right here. And it doesn't matter what I like. Big impact news coming in 2-3 hours? Not really. It's just FOMC minutes. But I'll be gone in 7 minutes. I stream from 9:30 to 12 o'clock. Because I don't trade. I did take extra trades today, but typically I don't trade. I passed an eval and I took this trade here, which was a big trade. I was down 750 and then I made double that. And I could have even made more on this drop. Do I have a FIDUS code? No. Yes. Affordable Indicators has a script. This would allow you to do that.
PM strategies where you can configure. Since if I get checkbox to clicking, as you do in Ninja to place your order, you're just going to simply click buy and then click on the chart, and it's going to automatically place the type of order based on where you click. So if I'm going to buy stop, obviously it's going to be above the market. I can configure this to stop limit or stop. If I'm going to sell, it's going to be a limit order above the market. So again, with these, I can click and then click to place my pending order. What if I want to change the quantity of my pending order? Yes, we can do that. Simple. So we're just going to click on the number, and then we can scroll our mouse wheel to change the quantity, and then once we're done, click the checkbox to confirm the quantity change. So again, just some improvements that I've made compared to the NinjaTrader platform. What about the ability to attach orders to indicator plots? Yes, it's done. And as long as it's on, all I need to do is sell click, and then as I hover, I'm seeing the details of the plot. Here we've got a 132 EMA. Here we've got a 200 EMA. Here we've got a 5-minute rated. So I'm going to buy above the hidden short 2 contracts. And
I don't like that I would have to actually click here, put the order, click here to put an order. That still would be kind of clunky. I do like the right click, left click. All right, guys. Any last minute questions? I don't understand what that means, NQ Addict. Since you're not buying with an account, you're buying with a debit card or credit card. You don't use wire transfer to pay for the accounts. How am I doing personally? I'm doing great. I am doing great. My focus right now is this. Planning out the floor. I have to do the trim. Doing great. I love projects. Poor car is just sitting. Too much salt on the ground. I'm not going to be driving it for the most part in the winter. I don't want any salt in the underneath the car. Yes. In order to get a payout with Bull Knox on Wednesday, you have to request it on Friday, the latest. So I'm going to request my Bull Knox on Friday. I still need $40 to take out full $1,500, but I don't think I'm going to be stingy for that. I'm assuming I have enough days. Let's see. Yep. Okay, first day $107. Second day $697, $563, $523, $518, $543, $543. Why did I make $543? I guess I traded more than just the opening. $407 loss, up $422, $615 loss, $352, $422. Not bad. But as you guys could see, I was pretty much at payout last week. And I needed a win on Friday, and I lost. So I didn't request the payout last week. Was there any issues to buying a Porsche? My brother works for, he's a mechanic at Porsche dealers, so I was able to get an allocation. But yeah, it wasn't like super easy. I had to pick specific dates, and luckily they had some allocations, so it wasn't too bad. And I got it at MSRP. Most people would have to pay, the car I got, you would have to pay $10,000 over MSRP. I paid $159,000. Like 159 plus tax. What's your goal for total number of prop accounts? 30. 30 is my sweet spot. Can you recommend videos on ORB? No, I don't know of any, because I'm the one that created the ORB myself. And it's not easy. It's very easy to give up once it doesn't work for like 2-3 days. It's frustrating sometimes, unless you trust it. It's intuition based. So everyone's going to trade it differently. But the point of the trade is you're taking advantage of the volatility at the open, right? 9:30, the bell hits. There's more volatility spike. You're taking advantage of the range, and you place orders where you think it's going to continue. How did I come up with the trade? Very simple. I'm not talking about a 15-minute ORB. 15-minute ORB is different. I was going to say that how I used to trade the ORB, or how I came up with the ORB, is imagine the market was about to open, right? I would place a buy and I'll place a sell order above. And what happened was it worked a couple of times, but too many times, right? Too many times the limit order got filled, and this is a short sell, and it just kept going. The buy would get filled, and it kept going. So I was like, why? Because this is how I used to trade on stocks. So I was like, why don't I go in the direction of the move, of the initial move? And I started with 9 ticks, right? I did 9 ticks. All right, that worked. Then I did like 12 ticks, eventually got to 21 ticks. 21 ticks was the sweet spot because 21 ticks gives you exactly $100 per contract. $100 after commissions per contract. So if you trade 3 contracts, it's $300 and so on. So that's why 21 ticks was a sweet spot. But now I trade between 25 and 29 ticks. I like 29 ticks or 30 ticks because I risk $750 per trade. So I'm trying to be as close as possible to $750 in profit, right? So with 30 ticks, 3 contracts, at like $450. So $450, $750, it's not too bad, right? It only takes me 2 days of work to make it back if I lose. And then I'm green already. So if I have one losing day a week, it's still going to be a good week overall. But once my accounts are, like this account, I'm going to take out 2,000. I'm still going to be in decent profit. Once my accounts are like that much profit, I'm going to probably trade 1 or 2 contracts. What's your risk management? I only take 1 trade a day. What is the win rate? I don't have a win rate specifically right now. Easiest way to do that. Well, on my funded futures, it says my win rate is 89%. But that's in 9 days. Oh, I forgot to cancel that. Oh, well. But it kind of shows you the example, right? Like it keeps going. I'm going to go. Yeah, Canberra, I'm fully aware of that. I would be switching over to Trader accounts for most prop firms. Like I wouldn't use Bullnox anymore, and then Fidus, I guess I wouldn't use. I would focus on 20 accounts with Apex, and then I would do Traderify, and then my funded futures. But let's see on my Apex accounts. But you see how it keeps going? That's exactly what I used to do. I used to buy and I'm like, oh, it keeps going, so let me just short. I thought you can't log into multiple Rhythmic accounts on Ninja though. So how would you copy multiple? My definition of the opening range is the range, as in 929, market's moving this much. At 930, the market's moving this much. That is the bigger range, right? The range, the average true range increases at 930. It has nothing to do with an actual range, as in like 1 minute opening range or 5 minute opening range trade. Has nothing to do with that. The green, not the green, the red and the blue line, that is the 15-minute opening range. I don't trade the 930 open based on the actual previous range. It's just on the increase of volatility. Therefore, there is a bigger range at the open. Okay, that's the idea. You could log into multiple Rhythmic accounts in NinjaTrader. How? How is that possible? I have 3 losing days out of 15, 16 days. So what's the win ratio on that, on Apex? If I have 3 losing days, out of 16 days, what's that? Can someone do the math? 72. Yeah, so that's like the win ratio right now. I guess it's random, yeah, but it's based on feel, based on intuition, moving averages, previous range. It's a lot involved in the head, but it's not something I have science to. It's more intuition. Just play around with it. That's the best way to do it. Is you play around with it, see if you like it. If you like it, you develop your own. The biggest thing is it changes all the time. I've adjusted how far away from the opening I go, how many ticks I go for, what my stop is. All those things I adapt and I change because I understand the strategy. If you just follow someone else, you're never going to be able to adapt and you're never going to be successful. So you have the idea, right? And you just do it on sim or do it on evals. You could do it on even micros, right? There's not much risk on micros. They'll give you plenty of room to test it. When I was testing, yeah, I was doing like 2 accounts at a time. I was scared to do more. But in the past, last year, I didn't use a stop loss. So if the trade didn't work and I couldn't work out of the trade, I would blow the accounts. But to give you an idea, last year, from December 15th, roughly, until February 29th, I did not lose once. Okay? My first losing day last year was February 29th. Why did I take this trade? Because I forgot to cancel the orders. I was just showing my opening range trade idea and forgot to cancel the orders. I was looking at different screen. This is just an eval, but it's going to blow. Unless it bounces up to 15. How long before you became so consistent? Well, I traded stocks before this. Futures, I became consistent once I discovered the opening trade. I am on 20-month payout streak, and I started 20 months ago, 21 months. So April of 2023 is when I started trading futures, and I started getting payouts in May on the accounts that I started in end of April. And I have not missed a single month of payouts. So it's been very consistent, but it's been very inconsistent at the same time, if that makes sense. Only because you get a payout doesn't mean you're consistent, you know? So, I mean, I just lost all 20 accounts on my birthday because of the 15-minute opening range trade. Wow, this account's toast. You guys owe me an account. Did I have any psychology issues to work through? Oh, yeah, I still do. The reason why I do so consistently lately is because of my opening range trade. If I trade throughout the day, I'm very inconsistent and I'm always looking for more. Therefore, I'm never satisfied with my trading, no matter what. If I'm green, I want more. If I'm red, I shouldn't have done this. I should have done this. There's always what if or could have or should have type of feeling. Versus with the opening range trade, I'm taking one trade a day, win or lose, I'm done. And I know it works long term. Like these accounts, for example, these 3 accounts and this account here. The first day, goodbye eval. I guess we're stuck at 15 accounts. The first day, because I don't have any more evals. This was my last eval. But the first day of these accounts, excuse me, I lost. And I lost very badly. Almost as badly as this loss here. Bottom tick. Unbelievable. I was up 1 tick or 2 ticks away from my win, and then I lost. So what happens is the trailing drawdown gets really hit badly because I'm up $400 on the trade and I lose $700 and $750 on the trade. That is negative $1,100 on the drawdown. Let's see if I'm back to full drawdown actually now. Yeah. So the first day of these accounts, I lost $1,200 worth of drawdown. I had like $1,300 to $1,500 in drawdown in these accounts after first trade. If I would have went and revenged like I did on Bull Knox that day, with Bull Knox, I lost 2 accounts. I had an account, basically, I would have had 2 payouts right now on Bull Knox instead of 1, but I decided to revenge trade and try to make some profits back on Bull Knox accounts, and I lost. See, if I was just patient and I didn't revenge trade those accounts, right now, those accounts would be at the highest point, and I would be getting another payout, and I would have had 2 more extra accounts. And it's just those little things make you realize, all right, just stick to the opening trade. It's better long term. It's better, especially once I grow the accounts to these levels. I don't have any more trailing drawdown. I don't have to worry about risk anymore because it's more than 750. I could scale down in size. I could take 2 contracts now, so I could make $300 to risk 500. And if I do $300 to risk 500, then it gives me so much room to lose, you know, like I could lose 5 days in a row and I still would be okay, which could happen one day. When people say trading is not about psychology, I know they're for gurus. Yeah. Anyone that says trading is easy, anyone that gives you advice on how to trade all the time, and they think their trading style is the best, they're pretty much always fake or new. It's one or the other, fake or new. I'm not into crypto. No, I don't have anything. But what a sell-off here. Of course, I caught the worst time. End of day is much better. Yeah, end of day is definitely much better, but there's really, besides Fidus, I don't know of any prop firm that has end of day and 20 accounts. What are my 2025 profit goals? 350,000. So basically the same as this year, except I would like to have much less fees, way less inconsistencies. Elite has some end of day accounts, yes, but they're more difficult to pass and they have a max daily loss. Bullnox also has end of day. I'm over the end of day, you know, like it's nice to have, but I try to ignore the trailing drawdown because I scalp, but it gets annoying sometimes. Yeah. End of day means that if you are up $1,000 on your first day of your account and then you end up losing that profit and you finish the day up $100, you did not lose any drawdown because it resets and moves up once the market closes. Versus in like Bullnox, regular accounts or Apex accounts, if I'm up $1,000 and then I lose $900 of that 1,000 and I still finish the day up 100, I still lost $900 worth of drawdown. Like Top Step is end of day, My Funded Futures is end of day, Tradeify is end of day on some accounts, Fidus is end of day, but usually they have a more difficult eval stage as well because you could hedge. If you think about it, if Apex was end of day, you could just hedge your evals and be at 90% win rate and you would just always win. You would hedge two evals. One would lose 2,500, one would make 2,500, and then you just got to make $500 more and then you pass. It would be too easy. Like Fidus is $2,500 risk to make $4,000 in profit. Same thing with My Funded Futures. My Funded Futures is $2,000 to $4,000. Oh. Technical Trader, just so you know, with Apex, when you check your email, you get codes for 80% off. Yeah, that's what Camber said, basically. Nutty is our friend, so let's be nice. Nutty took out 200,000. Still good profit. Made $150,000 net profit trading. That's really good. Wow. Nice sell-off here before FOMC minutes. You closed the NQ short at VWAP. You suck. Told you to hold it. I think that 50% off, but Fidus evals usually cost $25 for the 50K. What a clean move. All that chop and then boom. As soon as I go long, it's the cleanest move. This one. PHIDIAS. Did FOMC get leaked? Visual Trader, yes. So that's another reason why I want to switch to NinjaTrader. I have a big dilemma. We'll see. If Fidus pays me, then maybe I'll go, you know, maybe I'll go all in with them, but it's one payout a month. So if you lose your accounts, it's such a pain to restart. But one payout a month also makes me not rush the process. Just goal is to get these accounts to $2,600 in profit by this January 25th, 24th, 25th is a Saturday, and then request $8,000. But they do take 20%. So for every 5 accounts, 1 account is working for free. It's makes me cringe. If you take out 10,000, you're only going to get 8,000. So 1 account was waste. This one catcher, this one, I don't even know. Anyone knows the proper pronunciation for it? It's French, so it's got to be like Phidias or something. I say Fidus, I don't know. If you're new to my channel, hit subscribe. If we could get, in the next 5 minutes, 33 subscribers, I will do a $240 giveaway. I'm sure we'll hit it tomorrow. So tomorrow, tune into tomorrow's stream. I'm sure there's people that are not subbed. Hey, it's going the wrong way. Someone's shorting Alpine Trader. Phidias? Phidias. Why would they come up with that name? Oh, we're back. We're back to break even. You guys got 2 minutes though. So I'm going to the gym. 69. I'm sure we're gonna hit it tomorrow, so tune into tomorrow's stream. Wait, tomorrow market's closed. I lied. Hello? Hello?
Hey, glad to hear you. This is Betty here. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Betty. Thanks for spam calling. Why no top step accounts? Have a hard time passing evals. I tried yesterday and I failed. We might try again. Do you trade every day? Yes, I do. Tomorrow the market's closed, so there will be no stream, but Friday there will be a stream. We didn't make it, guys. Thank you for all being subscribed. You guys are the best. But Dario, I am signing off now, so tune in earlier. I am live from 9:30. I'm going to try to be live at 9. I just don't know when that's going to happen. 9 to 12 or 9 to 11:30 would be ideal. Do I trade NVIDIA, Tesla? No, I don't. I haven't traded stocks all year. All of 2024, I did not trade stocks. I might trade them again, but for now, I closed my stock account in December of 2023. But thank you guys. Hit the likes on your way out, and I'll see everyone on Friday. Enjoy your day off tomorrow. It sucks to have 4-day weeks for the last month, and we have another 4-day week coming up. Not this week, but the following week. So it's kind of annoying with all these holidays. As traders, we hate holidays, but it is what it is. I only trade futures, Dario. All right, guys. Adios, and I'll see everyone on Friday for a big payout day. Later, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Time to hit the gym. Camera's dead. I'm not turning the camera on, at least to say goodbye. I should make a new thumbnail. What kind of thumbnail should I have? Like this? All right, guys. Later. Love you guys.